Little New Year's Eve pate coming your way. We're gonna be doing some punch, some coleslaw,
chicken wings,
smoking some chicken wings, lots of other stuff.
Only 8.5 hours approximately until 2026. First, I'm gonna make the slaw and the punch. So here's the menu. We have the pepperoni party tray in the refrigerator. I just bought it from the store. We're gonna make cocktail smokies, punch, slaw, wings. Titus is gonna cook the wings on the grill. We're gonna have some explosions. We're gonna make some fries, possibly chili cheese fries. We're still thinking about the chili cheese part, but there will be fries. And bacon wrapped cream cheese filled peppers. Jonah requested those. So we need to get the slaw and the punch made first so that they can be in the refrigerator. Then I'll get these peppers ready
Folks,
and get the smokies
sometimes use
on the
our
stove.
refrigerator.
Yes, they know. Everybody wants to know, have you called Matt?
Yes, I've talked to Matt.
Okay, we can erase that one.
I've already called Matt and talked to him about his horses.
One time, he called here, or I called him, I can't remember, and he was like, I need you to write this down for me right now so we don't forget. And it was like a really important thing. I can't remember exactly what it was, but I didn't have anything to write on, so I just grabbed a dry erase marker and wrote it on the refrigerator, intending to later transfer it to a piece of paper and erase it. But I didn't, and then he saw it, and now...
That started to think. Let's start this party.
Woo! Try one of those. I'm just prepare yourself. It's a jalapeno pepperoni.
Ooh, that sounds
Just
good.
to warn you, earlier I tried one, and y'all know that I love spicy. I love spicy stuff.
I know you love spicy, girl.
I don't want one right now.
Try another
No,
one.
I don't want one. I won't be able to talk.
You get to heat later. That's good with some pepper jack cheese.
He's doing that same Paula Deen sauce for the wings.
The same thing that y'all have seen before. Most of you have been with us a while. Y'all have seen us do this, but I am going to remind for the ones that you're just tuning in for the first time. You're like, well, Tyus, we've never seen you do that chicken before, you know? I mean, how did you do it? I mean, I'm not going to leave you hanging here. You grab you some Worcestershire sauce, just like this right here. Pour that right over on top of that melted butter, the whole thing.
Butter, Worcestershire sauce, and he's gonna put some, one lemon or two?
Two of them.
Two whole lemons squeezed in there, and then just drop them in.
Do y'all want me to juggle these lemons for you? This thing right here in our kitchen, folks, I'm being honest with you, this thing, it's been tripping us all season. It's joy to see it, but it trips you.
Yeah.
So here we go. How did I used to juggle? They taught us to juggle in school. Oh, I do it like it ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying?
I mean...
There's another one in there, I'm imagining.
Yeah.
I gotta split my lemons right here.
Oh.
Can I come in here, would you?
Yeah.
Just take it, split them right in half, like that right there, and then naturally just go over there and squeeze. That's all you gotta do. And then just let that cook for just a little bit of time, and you're ready to put that on some chicken.
And then eat.
Now I'm gonna turn it down, and I'm just gonna squeeze my lemon right down in there. If I remember right, the first time I made this, and I'm pretty sure I do remember, she just puts the lemons right down in there.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm doing.
Manly's over here with me on punch duty. Got his weather radio. First we put in this pineapple juice, whole can.
Pineapple juice.
Fruit punch. We just want to put about, you start stirring and I'll pour this in.
And what are you putting in here, sweetie?
This is just,
It's club.
Like club soda?
Yeah, he wanted to take the things off. See what we got.
Is this one mine?
Yep, you try it first. Let's see if it's bubbly enough. It's good. Now we're gonna put some orange slices in the punch.
Let's see. Did y'all lay any eggs today? Oh, here's 2 eggs.
So I just split the peppers in half. We're taking out the seeds. And we'll stuff them with some cream cheese and wrap them in some bacon. our mind to home-style potato chips instead of French fries. So I just sliced these potatoes pretty thin. Got my pot, I think it's hot enough over here, let me see. Yeah, we're ready. So I just washed these off, dried them. We'll drop them in here. We're using beef tallow to cook these in. We had some beef tallow French fries from a restaurant, I guess about a year or so ago. And then there's another restaurant that we went to. I'm pretty sure it was the Flying Trout. They use beef tallow for their fries and chicken strips and all that. It's really good.
Some of my chicken got a little bit more done than others. Let's just put it that way. But it's still gonna be good, everybody. That is so good, but I'm gonna tell you something. Y'all may not believe it, but if you make these right here, you're gonna want 2 of these.
Yeah, maybe 3.
Maybe 3.
Y'all are not gonna believe this, but this little Bissell vacuum stick vacuum thing right here, it's like $25. I got it, I think I got it on Black Friday, or it might not have been on Black Friday, but it was during the time that Walmart was having their Black Friday sales. This wasn't on a Black Friday deal. The actual just normal price for it, I'm pretty sure, is $25. But that's when I got it, during the Black Friday stuffs. Anyway, I got it because y'all know we get a real Christmas tree, and I knew there were gonna be Christmas tree needles everywhere. And instead of bringing out my big vacuum to vacuum up the needles, I thought I would just get this cheap little bitty old thing just to vacuum up the needles, you know, so I could do it every day and not have to drag around the big one. This thing is amazing. It actually works better than my big vacuum cleaner. I'm not joking. How, you ask? I have no idea, but it works better. I just wanted to let y'all know, in case you're looking for a good stick vacuum that's, you know, cheap, this one is great. It really, I mean, it's been over a month now, no problems with it. It works great. We've used it every day, just about every day. I definitely recommend it. This bottom part comes off too, and it can be just a handheld. You can remove the stick and the bottom part, and it can just be this part, you know, so easy to vacuum under your couch cushions or whatever. I'm very surprised though. $25, and it works better than I think that one in there was like 50 or 60, maybe 70. And it's so tiny. I mean, look how little it is. But it does a good job. I'm gonna go vacuum my room now, and then I gotta switch out laundry. We're 5.5 hours away from 2026. It's so light too. I mean, it's like you're not even carrying anything. It is now 8:27. We're about to make New Year's Eve Firecracker Crunch. We're just gonna call it Firecracker Crunch because I couldn't think of anything else to call it. Tyler's going to get fireworks for us. We have some fruity Magic Spoon cereal. We have Chex left over from Comet's Crunch, and Toasted O's also left over from Comet's Crunch. I thought these colorful ones would make it more firecracker-ish. So I've got this white almond bark. We're just gonna melt it in the microwave, put all this into a bowl, drizzle over the almond bark, and then lay it out and let it dry. And snack on it until midnight.
If y'all think I'm still 5, but it's actually been past my birthday, I'm 6 now.
If y'all didn't know. Tell us about the weather. He's been listening to his weather radio, and we didn't even realize, y'all, that thing is from Radio Shack. That's a 90s flashback. Radio Shack was before the 90s, but
Oh yeah.
For me, it's a 90s flashback.
I put it in my secret hiding spot.
Oh, you got it in the secret hiding spot.
No, I can't use scissors since I'm 6 now. I can use scissors very carefully since I'm 6.
Let me help you though real quick. These aren't your kids' scissors. Yeah, you dump them in. We'll do all those. Do 4 scoops of the checks, okay? Got 4? We might need more than 4. Do about 6 or 7 of them. 3 scoops of the toasted oats.
I'm going in a Radio Shack on really old commercials.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old